Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken Alfredo in a Ninja Foodi. Alright, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi. I'm going to add a 16-ounce box of dry penne pasta into the Foodi. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, probably about a tablespoon. We want to season that pasta up good. Now I'm going to add some water in, just enough to cover over the pasta. And this is 4 cups of water. I added in about 3.5 cups. Now I have 2 chicken breasts here. I diced up into bite-sized pieces or cut up. They're going to go in. I don't want to touch the chicken because I washed my hands and I don't want to wash them again. Get in there. Alright, throw that disposable cutting board away. Let me grab a disposable utensil. I'm going to even this chicken out. And I'm going to season it with just a little bit of pepper because there's salt in that water. That'll help season the chicken with salt. Let me get some pepper. Just a little bit on top of the chicken. Alright, I'm going to close my lid down. Alright, I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to slide my selector over to the pressure cook setting. Now it's set on high pressure for 10 minutes. That's where I want it at. What this will do, this will heat up, come up to pressure cook for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, this is done pressure cooking. Now I turn this on to saute number 3. That's like a medium setting. I'm going to stir my pasta. You can see it drank up all of that liquid. I'm going to separate my chicken. And I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese that I broke up into pieces. We're going to get that melted down in there. Alright, now that I have all my cream cheese in here, I'm going to stir that around. Alright, now I'm going to add in some milk. I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of milk. And I'm just eyeballing this. You just want to move your cream cheese around so you can melt it. I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm going to go for about 2 cloves worth of garlic. I'm using the pre-diced stuff. You can see how creamy this is getting. And now I'm going to add in some shredded Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to turn my power off now. This is hot enough. This here is a 1.5 cup size container. I'm going to stir it in so I think it looks right. And I'll let you know how much I put in. You just want to stir till your cheese melts. Guys, if you could smell the garlic, it smells delicious. I'm putting in about 3/4 of a cup of the Parmesan cheese. And you just want to stir it up till your cheese melts in there. And this is melting from residual heat in the pot. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I garnish this with some crispy bacon and some fresh parsley. Let me get in here and give this a try. Get some of that bacon. Creamy, cheesy, get that garlic, the bacon. Man, that's a delicious. Try a piece of chicken. Chicken's super tender. I'll tell you what guys, that's really delicious. A one-pot meal, wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Chicken Alfredo in a Ninja Foodi. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.